It's not something you buy every day. You won't find them in fancy brochures or in a dealer showroom. And for most folks, they're only a thing of beauty when following the high school band in some holiday parade. But there are those who see past the red paint and chrome plating, clear past, to the soul of the matter. These are the people who make HME custom fire truck chassis. And to them, this is truly a work of art on wheels. Listen for a moment to the story of a company whose workforce is consumed with a passion for quality. Employees dedicated to complete customer satisfaction. From the welders, to the wirers, to the assembly crew, right down to the fellow who polishes the grill. HME and all of its associates bring to you a product each and every one of them would proudly sign their name to. And now, let us look closely at their handiwork. Craftsmanship at its finest, evident from the inside out. And the reason? It's because so many lives depend on this big red machine. It's salvation for those who find themselves amidst the flames, and a precious tool for those battling bravely to rescue them. This is the story of HME, its pride, its people, and its products. All in all, simply the best. The backbone of every HME chassis derives its strength from HME people. Watch an HME chassis take form and witness the fact that simply the best isn't a boast or catchphrase. Exclusive features and strict attention to detail set HME's 1871 series and SFO apart from the competition. Consider the specialized rear suspension developed by HME expressly for the fire service, with springs that retain their resiliency and their ride quality. To assure that color-coded wiring and air system tubing can easily be identified in maintenance, frames are painted before these components are attached. This procedure is overlooked by most competitors. The entire electrical system is custom designed to interface with all the electronic accessories commonly found on fire apparatus. Weatherproof connections and defined terminal points are other sensible features found on every HME chassis. Following engine manufacturer certified installation procedures, power plants that are among the most technically advanced and efficient in the world are pre-run and tested before leaving the plant. Total drivetrain performance is computer analyzed to ensure everything is working in close concert. Laser alignment of front and rear axles and wheel end assemblies account for pinpoint accuracy in all suspension settings. In cab construction, as in all areas, there are no shortcuts taken at HME. Precision fit and relentless in-process quality control ensure combat ready and waiting. At the last stop before leaving the plant, in a special inspection area, every manner of switch, instrument, and control is checked. The final finishing touches are applied, taking whatever time is needed to attain perfection. Then, it's time to open the door and let it roll. It arrived on the scene with much fanfare, and it's lived up to all the acclaim. This is the SFO, clearly the athlete among all fire truck chassis on the market today. The first and only chassis that runs circles inside the competition, cutting through congested city boulevards or tight alleyways, negotiating the grid work of suburbia or the rutted off-roads and inclines found in wildland interface. The SFO provides freedom of movement no competitor has been able to match. Value and performance have never been combined before in such a versatile, practical, and affordable package. The cab is spacious, big on visibility, big on accommodations. Nothing has been compromised here. Try one on for size, and once behind the wheel, even novice drivers feel right at home. The SFO handles like a half-ton pickup, quick and agile, tough and dependable. Someday, perhaps all fire truck chassis will offer this level of maneuverability and performance. For now, it all starts and stops with the SFO. Because no two fire departments are alike, there exists the HME 1871 series. Anything and everything you want a custom fire truck chassis to be. Perhaps the most revered and respected firefighting apparatus in the industry, the 1871 series lets you build a very specialized tool for fighting fires. Each is unique, individually tailored to the needs of the fire department who ordered it. Every specification receives special attention. CAD design and computer modeling let you not only design the chassis you want, right down to the smallest detail, but to also test it. What takes shape in blueprints can soon take form and substance. The end product will invariably leave the plant exactly as you specified. A dream fulfilled, backed by a family of friends at HME who will always be there when you need them. The HME 1871 Custom Series and the remarkable SFO. Never let it be said they don't make them like they used to. Because since 1913, one American manufacturer has strived to do much more than that. HME is in the business of making fire truck chassis that do more and do it better than anyone else in the industry. Small towns and large cities alike rely on HME fire truck chassis. From pumpers to rescue vehicles to aerials, they're combat ready and willing to go the distance. Whenever the alarm rings, whenever victims are in harm's way, HME is there. Simply the best.